Hi, I'm Nick Smart, CEO of ValOre Metals. Recently released some news around our metallurgical test work, which is ongoing at the University of Cape Town in South Africa. I wanted to provide a little bit of insight for our investors and followers about what that means. The aim and the objective of this stage of the metallurgical test work program is to prove the viability of the process routes which we're looking to select as part of our ongoing planned preliminary economic assessment study, which we're looking to publish for the end of this year. So in this phase of the test work, we've really been focusing on the weathered material. So that's the top 100 odd meters of the ore body. It's near surface, it's accessible. It tends to be the higher grade material as well. So we've really been looking at the processing pathway and the optimum processing pathway for recovering the platinum and the palladium in that material. Now, in this phase of the test work, we've been testing a novel pretreatment route called bioprocessing, so bioleaching, where effectively naturally occurring bacteria are inoculated to the ore, to the crushed ore, and exposed for a period in order for the bacteria to break down the matrices, the mineral matrices, liberating the platinum and palladium for a subsequent cyanide leaching step. Now, in previous rounds of test work, we've proven that this is a viable path route, and we saw processing there achieving good recoveries over a 60-day period of bio pretreatment. In this round, we were able to achieve 73 and 74% extractions across platinum and palladium, respectively, in just a 20-day extraction period. So really, really positive to see the acceleration in terms of the kinetics there, and the repeatability on those test results, showing that we've got a robust, repeatable process here, capable of high levels of extraction for those precious metals, platinum and palladium, and we're able to do that in a faster method. In regards to the caustic test work, we've been focusing there within the weathered horizon and even within the fresh material, a significant component of the precious metals, the platinum and palladium, about 116,000 ounces of our total 2.2 million ounce resource is associated with chromitite. Now, the chromitite tends to be really high grade material. This is between 6.5 and 8 grams per ton. So really attractive material to process. And we've been looking at there a different processing methodology as well. So a hot caustic pretreatment followed by cyanidation. And again, they're seeing really, really encouraging results. So platinum extractions up in 67%, palladium extractions up to 80%, and really, really promising results there, showing high levels of extraction for this high grade, easily accessible material. Yeah, so these are really encouraging results for us to see. We're demonstrating that we're able to get high levels of precious metal extractions through these pre-treatment and treatment methodologies. And really what this is going to be informing is the next stages of our metallurgical test work as we scale up these processes, testing them in larger reaction vessels, and then proving out the economics of the process as well. So these steps really important for us to prove the process flow sheet. So as we define the process flow sheet, what that looks like, and then the economics of the process. So looking at what the major inputs are, what those end recoveries could look like, and wrapping that all up as part of this preliminary economic assessment, which we're looking to publish for the end of the year. So in the short term, as we're working towards this PEA for the end of the year, investors can expect to receive from us ongoing updates on this metallurgical test work as it progresses. Next big steps for us, scaling up those reactors, going into the large stirred tank vessels. We expect to see even better results coming out of that from the increased mixing, the oxidization which goes into the process. We'll then be looking at testing column tests, which simulate a heap leach environment. This for us, again, really exciting. It gives us the possibility of low-cost mining and low-cost processing, all looking to extract the maximum potential benefit and maximum value out of our 2.2 million ounce resource at Pedra Branca. These are exciting times for ValOre. Thank you very much for following along. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Follow us and look forward to continuing to provide updates into the future. Thank you.